Your problem isn't heartbreak. It's that you keep trying to outrun it like it's a problem to be solved, instead of a signal to be followed. So let's change that. Okay, heartbreak isn't here to destroy you. It's here to reveal you. Okay, the moment you lost her, you met the version of yourself that had been hiding behind her love. Okay, the panic, the obsession, the confusion. These are all signals, not signs of failure, but signs of transformation trying to get your attention. See, pain doesn't mean something's wrong. Pain means something's waking up. Okay, you've been busy working out, leveling up, learning about yourself. But I'm gonna guess you're still checking her stories, still fantasizing about her noticing, still low-key hoping that this is a glow-up that she'll regret missing. Okay, let me tell you something. That's not progress. That's a performance. Okay, the breakup didn't just break your heart. It cracked your mirror. And now you're not sure who you see in it without her. Okay, there are two types of pain after a breakup. A pain that empties you and a pain that builds you up. Okay, the first is about waiting for something to happen, and the second is about making something happen. All right, this is your moment to stop replaying the past and start building something the old you could never have imagined. Okay, you don't need her to come back. You need to become someone who would never settle for how she left. Okay, here's the truth. You're not broken. You're breaking through. Not because it's easy, but because you finally stopped looking at this as a setback and started treating it like a signal. Your life isn't waiting for you to get over her. It's waiting for you to meet the man who was buried underneath needing her. Okay, she's left you, and now it's your turn to leave behind the version of yourself that needed her so badly. Okay, if this is landing with you, it's because part of you is ready to stop surviving the breakup and start rising from it. And that's what we do here. You're not alone. Thanks for being here. I'll see you in the next one.